The BBT-9 from Park Tool removes and installs a wide variety of external bottom brackets and externally notched lock rings. The head of the BBT-9 securely engages on tool fittings with 16 notches and an outside diameter of 44 millimeters, while the other end of the tool is built for adjusting the crank arm adjustment cap found on Shimano Hollowtech II systems. Not just useful for bottom bracket cups, the BBT-9 can also install and remove 16-notch rotor disc brake lock rings. Made from a heat-treated steel alloy, the BBT-9 is a reliable way to work on your compatible external bottom bracket or rotor lock ring. The BBT-9 from Park Tool.